show you how to lube your chain. You need some lube. You've got two types of lubes. We've got a Teflon one, and we've got a muck-off wet lube. So when using these, always remember, if you're doing this inside, put a sheet down because it's going to get messy. So what you want to start with is, first of all, you want to get the lube and you want to pour it onto the chain, but don't just slab it on, because then you're just going to have too much grease and it's just going to collect dirt, and you don't want that. So what you want to do is you want to just lightly sprinkle it on, drizzle it per se. So as you're pouring it on, you want to rotate the chain so that it gets all over. So just little drops. Not too much. It's also a good idea to make a note of where you started so that you know where to end. But also, if you just keep an eye on the chain, you can kind of see where's already been lubed and once you've done a full circle. There you go, it's a full circle. And now you just want to work that grease into the cogs. So just keep spinning and changing gear as well. Now that's in there, you can kind of sit in there, and it basically allows for the chain to move through the gears a lot more slicker, because when the chain's dirty you get build up of dust and stuff in each of the little gaps in the chain, and that slows down the performance of the bike, slows down the performance of the gear changes. So yeah, it's always good to keep your chain lubed and clean. So